Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to our channel. Ever dreamed of exploring the beautiful landscapes from Bangladesh to Kashmir? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving into some amazing and affordable travel tips. Whether you're a budget backpacker or just looking to save cash, we've got you covered. So grab your virtual passport and let's get started. First up, let's talk about planning your trip. The key to affordable travel is flexibility with your dates. Try to avoid peak seasons when prices skyrocket. Instead, look for shoulder seasons when the weather is still good, but crowded. Now, let's focus on transportation. Buses are often the cheapest way to get around in both Bangladesh and India. Look for overnight buses to save on accommodation costs. For longer distances, consider trains. They're comfortable and offer great views. When it comes to accommodation, hostels are your best friend. They're cheap, social, and often provide free breakfast. If you're traveling with friends, consider renting apartments or rooms. This can be more cost-effective than hotels, especially for longer stays. Let's talk about food, one of the best parts of travel. Street food is not only delicious, but also incredibly cheap. In Bangladesh, try some mouth-watering fuchka or chotpoti. When you reach India, don't miss out on samosas or pani puri. Just make sure to choose vendors that look clean and popular with locals. Now, on to attractions and activities. Many religious sites and public parks are free to visit. In Bangladesh, explore the bustling streets of Old Dhaka without spending a dime. Crowds are smaller. When you reach Kashmir, take a stroll around Dal Lake. It's beautiful and doesn't cost anything. Here's a money-saving tip. Always carry a reusable water bottle. Buying bottled water adds up quickly, so fill up at your accommodation when possible. Let's discuss some specific destinations along your route. In Bangladesh, visit the tea gardens of Sylhet. You can often arrange tours directly with local guides for a fraction of the cost of organized tours. As you move into India, stop by Kolkata. The city is known for its rich culture and surprisingly affordable attractions. Visit the Victoria Memorial or take a walk in the botanical gardens. Heading north, make a stop in Varanasi. This ancient city on the Ganges is a must-see. Watch the evening Aarti ceremony from the Ghats. It's free and unforgettable. Finally, reaching Kashmir, you'll find Srinagar. Stay on a houseboat for a unique experience that doesn't have to break the bank. Negotiate prices directly with boat owners for the best deals. Remember, learning a few local phrases goes a long way. People appreciate the effort and might be more willing to help or offer discounts. Another tip, always carry some cash. While cards are accepted in cities, smaller towns and villages often deal only in cash. Don't forget about local markets for souvenirs. They're often cheaper than tourist shops and offer a more authentic experience. Lastly, consider volunteering or work exchange programs. Platforms like Workaway offer opportunities to stay with locals in exchange for a few hours of work each day. And there you have it, your guide to affordable travel from Bangladesh to Kashmir. Remember, the best experiences often come from unexpected places and don't always cost a lot. So pack your bags, keep an open mind, and get ready for an amazing adventure. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Have you been to Bangladesh or Kashmir? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.